What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am organizing my baking items and equipment. If you're new here, my name is Nicole Charnel, and I do videos on organizing, intentional living, decluttering, and just getting yourself together. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can check out my videos, and we'll just jump right into this one. If you don't know, I am a pastry chef and I have a lot of baking equipment as well as a lot of baking items that I keep on hand, like flour, sugar, chocolate chips, and things like that. So this is the area and it's a complete wreck right now. So I'm going to just go ahead and organize it. I used some bins that I got from the dollar store that you'll see here in a minute. Of course, they were $1 each, and I just used them to organize the items and separate them and all that. After that, I just went through and put everything that was like the same. I have some totes here as well that you'll see in a minute, but I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy the video. It's literally just me decluttering and organizing. Hope you enjoy. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy a video like this, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Also, you know, girl, you gotta hit that bell so you can get notified when I make new videos. Come on now. You know you want to see more of me. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one.